Jordan's made it onto the lighthouse, so I'm going to try and attempt it. I don't know how good this is going to go. It might not look like much, but the actual swell is starting to tune up. Sweet. So I just decided to do it. Here's the lighthouse. Big bastard. That was pretty scary going through there. Going across, but here we are. The old lighthouse. Pretty. This is the scary part. I've got to try and make it back and try and get back. So, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's just go. Woo! Go with the tide. Get past the rock. I made it back. There she is. Done. Lighthouse. Can't climb it. Still in.